What's going on, guys? Welcome to Unbox the Box. Hope you guys are doing great as always. In today's video, we will be showing you guys how to insert an SD card into Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe. It's just a simple click of a button, but it helps us out a lot, so we really appreciate it. Also, hit the bell button and please don't forget to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm to push our video to the top so we can be helpful to many other viewers looking for help with their devices. In order to insert the SD card into Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, all you have to do is grab the SIM injector that came with the tablet in the box. And on the bottom of the right side of the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, under the power button and volume rocker button, you will see a micro SD slot. Grab your SIM ejector and insert it into the little hole that's located on the SD card slot compartment and firmly press on the SIM ejector until the SD slot compartment slides up. Once it's up, you can then grab it with your fingers, take the SD slot and insert your SD card into it. And then put it back into Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite and you should be good to go and have more storage capacity on your tablet. Thank you very much for watching my video on how to insert an SD card into Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, guys. If you found this video helpful or just enjoyed it anyway, please hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm to push our video to the top so we can be helpful to many other viewers who's looking for help with their devices. Please subscribe because it shows that my hard work on making these videos for you guys has been recognized. And don't forget to smash the bell button to be notified for future awesome, helpful content.